Hello, everyone. I'm going to solve problem number 1 from my review sheet. You see that my name is across problem number 1. So what do we need to do in problem number 1? I'm going to write down number 1. And we do know the radius of a circle in problem number 1. It's 2 meters. And we do know the theta angle, which is going to be 20 degrees. And this angle is going to make a part of a circle arc, right? So I'm going to draw approximately like how the picture is going to look. So this is my theta, 20 degrees. And the question of the problem is how long is the arc? So how long is this little part over here? And the radius is known and it's 2 meters. So how would I calculate the arc length? Arc length, I'm going to use the formula, and the formula tells me that it's a radius r multiplied by angle theta. The only little feature here is that theta is supposed to be converted from degrees to radians. I'm going to write down how to convert from degrees to radians. What we can do, guys, we can divide it by 180 degrees and multiply by pi, which is measure of 180 degrees in radians. Remember the proportion that the angle in radians and pi or 2 pi and angle in degrees and 180 degrees or 360. If you use 360 here, you can put 2 pi here, but I think it's not like super important which number to put. So now I'm going to put all my numbers together. 2 multiplied by 20 degrees by 1 divided by 180 degrees multiplied by pi, which is going to give me, canceling 20 and 180, is going to give me 2/9 pi. And if I calculate it using calculator, which I already kind of did, my 2 does not look like 2. I'm going to erase it and write it down again. Okay, I think this 2 is better. It's going to give me 0.698. Well, I'm rounding it up, so I'm going to write down approximately, and the measure is going to be meters. Remember, we are using the same units, which was the radius. In the radius was in meters, so the final answer is going to be in meters. So that's going to be our final answer. I'm going to circle it, and if you leave your final answer in, like, you know, the measures of pi, it's still okay, but normally in the problem, I'm going to specify whether I care about this or don't. Here I did not specify nothing, so it can be this one or this one, 2 pi/9. I'm going to circle it to, okay, that's it. And I'm going to put this video on YouTube and put a link to it to my spreadsheet. And I'm going to put this file also like a link on it on my spreadsheet so everyone can see how to solve the problem. Okay, that's all for problem 1. And I'm hoping that you guys are going to, kind of solve other problems.